Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can upgrade your gaming videos using your face cam on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to add in like the face cam. Essentially I'm just going to go to mask and I'm going to select the circle as well, and I'm just going to create like a circle here. And you can either place it on the left side or on the right side. I'm just going to put mine on the left. Go to library and add in a black stock video. If it isn't long enough, just freeze frame it. Select mask and select circle, and you're going to place it underneath, and you're going to essentially feather that out to create a shadow. And that's it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!